Good morning. How are you all? How many of you are here? Harsh, Shayan, Rishil and Radhe. All right. All right. Now, let them come till we can start with the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhurbhuvassaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness and success. Now before starting today's class, tell me what we have done in our previous class. What we were doing? Yes, any one of you can. Yes. Anyone? What we were doing in our previous class? Now see, why you people are too silent today? Speak up. What we have done in our previous class, I want answer from you.
Ma'am, we what ma'am? Written listening.
Writing and all these things are remaining? Yes, speak up better. Writing is done or remaining? Chapter 4's writing. Yes, any one of you can speak. Rushil, where are you? Today why you people are not answering? Writing is remaining of chapter 4, right? Yes?
Ma'am, it is done.
Okay, so we were doing worksheet. Right, of chapter 4.
Ma'am,
Or
we are
workbook.
doing workbook, ma'am, workbook.
Alright. So let's see in workbook. How much we have finished? Vocabulary. I think question B of vocabulary make sentences is remaining, right? Yes? Reply fast, beta. I am not having whole day's time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question B we are going to solve. Okay, in workbook. Topic. Workbook. Okay. Chapter 4. Now question B. Write sentences with the words you formed in the previous exercise. Here in the previous exercise, which word you have formed in vocabulary exercise A? Which words you have formed? Read out. The answers of vocabulary question A. Which words you have formed? Speak up fast. Yes, everyone. Why 8 students are here?
Ma'am,
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, ex-principal, autobiography, pro-environment, overconfident and anti-animal cruelty were the words. Now, who will make sentence by using the word inter-house? First sentence. Yes, speak up. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am, you are doing?
Vocabulary question B, page number 28. Harsh Kaur, on your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Only 8 students have joined, and then also only Rushil is answering. Others didn't bother to answer. Why? This is not only Rushil's class. You people are as responsible as him. Why you are too silent today? Since 10 minutes I am asking you questions and you people are not even replying yes or no. It means that you logged in and you kept phone somewhere and you are roaming in the house. Is it true?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Good. Now see, is it finished in your class or remaining? That's what I am asking, beta.
Ma'am, it was in homework, and in classwork, ma'am, it was remaining. It was in homework. It is in homework.
I am writing the answers one more time. So if your work is incomplete, you can complete it. This time I will not excuse for anyone because I have given each and every word in classwork and homework also, all the answers. So be attentive enough to complete your work on time. There was an inter-house, write down. Inter-house throw ball competition today. Throw ball competition today. Now second one. Ex-principal. Who will make sentence by using the word ex-principal?
Yeah,
Yes.
my turn.
Yes, yes.
He is the ex-principal of our school.
Okay. Or you can write the ex-principal came to visit the school today. Write down. The ex-principal came to today. Now third one. Autobiography. Who will make sentence by using the word autobiography?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, can I make?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my friend had made. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Rushil. Yes, beta.
Autobiography is written by the person itself.
Okay. Or you can write down, have you read Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography? Have you read Sachin Now fourth one. Fourth question. Pro-environment. Who will make one sentence by using the word pro-environment? Yes, speak up. Any one of you can answer. The company has a very strong pro-environment policy. Write down the company has a very strong pro-environment policy. Done? Today we are going to play game, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Because you people are little bit lazy today. I am also feeling little bit drowsy and I am having pain. But still we have to study, na beta? This will not help us longer to be too silent in the class, to be very, what we call, irresponsible. It will not help you better. We teachers are working so hard for you people. Even though we are having our, what we call, own situations to deal. Now see the fifth one, overconfident. Who will tell me the sentence of overconfidence?
Ma'am, can I say? Rushil?
Yes, beta. Yes, Rushil.
Overconfidence makes because of the overconfidence of Rahul, he failed in the exam.
Yes, very good. Okay, Atul, please practice. Do not get overconfident. Do not get sixth one. Anti-animal cruelty. I will only buy cosmetics from companies that are anti-animal cruelty. I will only buy cosmetics from companies that are anti-animal cruelty. Okay. Now I hope all of you have finished this. Slogan writing is done in your class? No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next part is a slogan is a short phrase that is easy to remember and is used in advertisements, right? Look at the slogans in these posters. Lend a hand to save trees. See, so slogan writing is a career opportunity. It is very big career opportunity. As you people know, nowadays advertisements are more famous than anything else. Advertisement of HP printers in Diwali, that the small boy helps the old lady to sell her diyas by clicking her pictures and making her advertisement. He shows the pamphlets at every home and people get touched with the lady. They contact the lady and buy her diyas. So the lady, at the end, the lady became happy. Such kind of advertisement which are having a good dialogue, okay, which we can't forget easily, like LIC is a slogan is Zindagi ke saath bhi, Zindagi ke baad bhi. So such kind of slogans are helpful to present someone's product, right? So you people, if you are having creative style of thinking, it will help you to just boost up your energy to write the slogans in very effective manner. Now, be creative and write slogans for these posters. First one, I am writing it for you. If you want to add another one, you can add. Think for a while. Water is the drop of life. Save it. Now second one. Don't trash Mother Earth, recycle. Don't trash Mother Earth, recycle. Okay? Now see, finish this, then we will start with quiz. Okay? Because I think that today you people are feeling little bit lazy. That's why you are not answering properly. Now we are going to play quiz. Have you finished this? Then let me
Yes,
start
ma'am.
screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now let me start screen sharing. All right. Then no, don't draw. Just write the slogan after the picture. There is no need to draw, beta. Don't draw anything. No. Isha, just write the slogan above or below the picture. There is no need to draw it one more time. Alright. Now see, we are going to play quiz. I hope that this will help you people to get more active in the class. Today you people are very silent. I don't like such kind of class. Please change what all. Sharing is not getting it. Okay. Now let me start. Are you able to see my screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me go out. I don't know what happened with screen sharing nowadays. It is not getting open in the class. Yes, now I hope that you people will be able to see. Class.
No, ma'am.
Hello? Am I audible to you people?
Yes.
Is it visible?
It's okay, I'm not doing anything.
Is it visible now?
But
No, ma'am.
No. Now see. Now is it visible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait for a while, huh? Now see, now is it visible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait now. Now it is getting open, wait. Alright. Now see, we are playing quiz of adverbs now. I hope all of you will answer properly without any, what we call it, Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often tell when, how, where, or what degree or extent. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Now next question. Very good. Now next question. Okay, now identify the adverbs because she was tired. Cassie left early. Because tired, early, early tired.
Because tired early.
Which one is the adverb here?
Tired.
Tired is the verb. What is your name? Tired is the verb. I am asking you adverb. Think before you speak.
Early, ma'am, early.
Very good. What's your name?
Ma'am, Ayan.
Okay. Now next question. See, you are getting points here, right? Which adverb tells when? Inside, early, accidentally, below. Which adverb tells when? Means time.
Accidentally. Yeah, early.
Early, ma'am, early.
All right. Okay. Now see next question. Which adverb best completes the sentence? She dash laid the baby in the crib. The adverb needs to tell
Ma'am,
how.
had. She had laid carefully. Ma'am, she carefully laid the baby in.
Okay. Now next one. Next question. Most adverbs end with ly. True or false?
True.
All right. Okay. Now see, you people are getting points, okay? Now identify the adverbs. My baby brother is sometimes too loud during the night. Sometimes too loud, baby, sometimes too my baby. Okay, what are the adverbs? There are two adverbs in this sentence. You have to tell me the option.
Ma'am, sometimes two. Sometimes two. Sometimes
Okay,
two.
very good. Very good. Now see, let it get done. Very good. You people are getting good points. Till now you have answered all the questions correctly. Which adverb best completes the sentence? Dash, I baked brownies. The adverb needs to tell when. Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
yesterday.
good.
Past tense. Baked.
Very good.
Yesterday.
What time? Yesterday. Yes, very good. Oh. Sit. Wait for a while.
Year 9.
Yes, beta. It is sleep. Wait, it will take time. Now, identify the adverb. Ruben and Jenny often write quietly on our whiteboard. Quietly, often, quietly white, right, board.
Often quietly. Often quietly.
Very good. Often and quietly, very good. Now next one. Is your teacher a monster? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Which best completes the sentence? Derek took his wagon dash. Adverb needs to tell where? Happily, later, outside. Very good.
Outside.
Very good. Is it interested? Did you find it interested?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see next one. What is the adverb in the sentence? The girls went upstairs to get their coats.
Ma'am, there.
Beta, adverb upstairs went girls there.
Went.
Went is the verb here.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Okay.
Upstairs.
Now see next one. Now see the next question. What is the adverb in the neatly shopping road?
Neatly.
Neatly. Yes, ma'am.
Neatly.
Very good. Next one. Now 8 questions are remaining. Identify the adverb. Mr. Humphrey most gladly gave the announcements about the winners. Most gladly. Very good.
Most gladly.
Most gladly.
Okay. Power up. See, adverbs can describe pronouns, verbs, adjectives, nouns, verbs, adjectives, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, adverbs, nouns.
Ma'am, pronouns, verbs, adjective.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Pronouns, verbs. Nouns, verbs, adjective.
Ma'am, pronouns, adjective and nouns.
Verbs, adjective, adverb. That day I have shown it to you in video, beta. You have to be attentive. This time I help you by clicking the right answer, but next time I will be just do the work of clicker. You people have to choose the correct answer. Which adverb tells where?
Upstairs.
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 Very good. Now next question. It will take time, wait for a while. Which adverb tells how? Later.
Neatly.
Soon.
Neatly.
Neat.
Neatly.
Okay. Okay, good. Now next one.
False, ma'am, false.
False, ma'am. False.
Okay. Now next one. Which adverb tells to what extent? Inside, very kindly, later.
Ma'am, inside. Inside.
Inside.
Very is the correct answer, beta, adverb of degree. Next one. Identify the adverb. The angry dentist quickly filled both rotten teeth. Angry quickly or rotten quickly, angry rotten
Angry,
rotten.
rotten. Angry, rotten.
Beta,
Quickly.
what are the adverbs? No, only quickly is the adverb.
Yes, ma'am, my correct.
Now next word. What is the adverb in the sentence? My dog always barks.
Always.
Always. Always back.
Now 20th. What is the adverb in the sentence? Jackie went home early.
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 Very good. Now see. Okay. Now how much marks we get? We will get to know. The app will tell us our rank and the marks also. I hope that you people have enjoyed it a lot. Now see, 100% first rank, all 20 correct, time 12 seconds for each, okay? Maximum you have taken 12 seconds for each answer. Good time, you have to take less time, right? Now see, let me go back to the class. Did you find it interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today is it okay for you if I send you something like this to solve a quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many participants are there in class now?
14.
Ma'am, 14.
Okay. Wait, let me
13,
share
ma'am.
it. So I need okay, 13. Now I need to add to the classwork now. So wait for a while. Let me share it to someone else. Then we will get back to the another quiz for your homework, right? Now see next one. I'm going back to the app to get to search for your homework, right? Find new quiz. You people will enjoy it a lot. My daughter is in LKG. She is also enjoying a lot. And you people are grown up. You will find so many interesting quizzes of computers, English, Hindi, math,
नाम
SS,
क्या है?
quizzes app.
Open it.
It is very interesting, but I will show you the logo also. Okay? Now see, this is for which standard? 7th. So I can share it with you people. Okay? The second quiz is homework. Today's date is 28, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now let me go back to the class. So I hope that you people will have fun. See, have you seen here quizzes app? Purple colored last, okay?
Yes,
At
ma'am.
last, this is that.
Yes.
You can download it. You will find it more interesting, right? Now let me get back to the main class so that we can start with the worksheet. I hope that you people will find it interesting. Yes, have you enjoyed it? Fifth standard is enjoying a lot. They are having lots of fun and all the time they are just asking, "Ma'am, let's play, please, ma'am, let's play, please." Right. Now see, I hope that all of you are ready with your worksheet. We are going to solve worksheet. Have you solved the fourth worksheet already? I hope it is getting in class. Open your worksheet. We are going to solve worksheet. Are you ready with your worksheet? Open your worksheet. Page number 20. Classify the adverbs in the following sentences. Write type of adverb. Type 1. Remember. I hope it is clear to everyone. Kishore plays tennis well.
I'm taking my work.
Plays tennis well. Well, first answer I am telling you. Underline well. Adverb of manner. Second one. Let us write full sentence adverb of manner. Now second sentence. She is too shy. Who will identify the adverb and its types in this sentence? Yes? Anyone? Yes? Yes? She is too shy. Adverb of degree.
Shy. Too.
Who is the adverb of degree, beta? Next one, third one. He arrived quite early. Who will tell me the answer? He arrived quite early. Adverb. Which type adverb? Early and quite. Both. Quite and early.
Early.
Quite and early. Quite and early. Quite adverb of degree, early adverb of time. Adverb of degree, here adverb of time. Now, okay. When are you expecting them?
Accepting.
When? Adverb of time. Or interrogatory. Mark this one. Read the fifth question and answer. Who will read and answer?
Question બીજા મારી.
Read and answer.
Ma'am, can I read? Do you know
Yes,
the time when he will arrive?
Alright.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the adverb here? Adverb here, when. What adverb? Adverb of time and adverb of time. Right now, sixth one. You will read the sixth question.
Ma'am, he often come here. He often come here. He
Often and here.
often.
Often and here. Often and here. Often and here. Here, adverb of place. Often, adverb of frequency. Often, adverb of frequency.
मैम ये भी होमवर्क में था, हो गया है.
Good. Now see, I am going to take your presentation. All of you have enjoyed today's class. Do you have any doubts in today's class work? Have you enjoyed the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it? It was interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now give me your presentee. Priyanshu Adroja. Yes? Priyanshu Adroja. Type in the chat box, beta. Okay. Ayan Adani. Ayan. Devbhadra Kiya. Devbhadra Kiya. Manav Bawarwa. Manav Bawarwa. रुशील देसाई. रम्या चौकसी प्रेजेंट है. रुशील देसाई प्रेजेंट. युग देत्रोजा. सौम्य जिलरिया. ध्रुव जेटलोजा. ध्रुव जेटलोजा. सौम्य जिलरिया. Sorry, Soham Jilaria. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my 11th and 12th is remaining in 20 page number question 1.
Yes, beta, I know. We will complete it in our next class. Soham Jilaria. Adya Pachoria, present. Soham. Radhika Sundra.
Ma'am, may I leave?
Harsh Kavar. Harsh Kavar.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Kavar. Ishwa Kavar, present. Khushi Kundaria. Khushi Kundaria. Darshita Mishri. Ravi Kumar Patel. Ravi Kumar Patel. वेदांत पटेल, सैना पाठक, नंदन सावसानी, प्राप्ति चोरिया, दर्शिता प्रेजेंट थी, दर्शिता मिश्री, ऋषिका उकानी, सुहानी विरमगामा. All right. So today's absent are Suhani, Saina, Veda, Ravi Kumar. Then Ishwa Kaur. No, Ishwa Kaur nahi.
No, ma'am, I am present.
Kushi Kundaria is present. Tom Jilaria. And Manav Bawarwa.
Ma'am, I am present.
Ishwa, I have. By mistake, I have.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I hope you will have any questions. Have a good day. And bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Beta.